Hey, this is Carlos from Buu AI. This is my submission for the Google Gemini Hackathon. So we built a game engine that is using prompts to create the entire game. Game state, logic, scripts, behavior, 3D assets, everything out of prompts. So whenever you come here for the demo, just click on new game and then you will have experience from scratch. But for this demo, I'm gonna show you something that's already built. So I will jump here to my game. Now, as you can see here on the right, the game is loading. Victor and me, we both made this tool and this game demo in basically one day by just prompting. It's a Clash Royale style of game. Before just clicking on play, I'm going to show you how the configuration works so you have an idea, and then you can make some changes into the games. So we connected some open source libraries, such as Three.js, to create the JavaScript for the 3D game. Atomic Assets, which is a new technology we've developed, a way of making tools by the LLM in a much more sophisticated way. I will explain in a bit. Buu Assets, this is as well part of the submission hackathon, so it's a real-time prompt to 3D generational AI to create assets, and then Gaussian Splats and other open source libraries to connect with Three.js. So on the build section, we have every time we make a change on the prompt, it's creating a new build and it's compiling the build, and then you can even restore back states of the build. Okay, here you can have all the builds. Then we do have atoms. Atoms is what we call the features that the LLM is drafting, planning, executing, coding, and writing. So you have a core atom, which is the game loop and all of the dependencies that they have for the functions. And then you have all of the features as scripts here, from car manager, the cleanup, the arena creation, everything, literally everything, the initialization of the towers. Every single atom is a single state of feature script inside of it. And then you have utilities atoms, which is reusable and with different dependencies. So aside this, you have the configuration of the game, just the active build that you can test, the bundle all once the script is compiled and everything. So let's go and let's play the game. So you can see here, I can just place my troops, place a wizard, and then this will start having already the game. It's probably loading a bit slow because in real time my build is being captured and the 3D library is happening too. So I can place a magician here. I've recently created a function that allows me to move the camera around the place. So you can see here, I can go down, I can rotate a little bit, and then you can see here different ways. So if I want to make changes to this game, I can type add a new troop called the Berserker, acting as a tank. Make the model, the card, and integrate it as a new card unit. Okay. I've requested this new change into the game, and now the LLM is going to track through all the atoms. It's going to see if they can reutilize the code structure to create a new unit of the card. It's proceeding to get the code structure, the semantic search. You can see here the input and output of each task that the LLM of Gemini 3 Pro is executing. Extremely powerful for this type of complex tasks, test tasks that they are reasoning. Then it's going through each atom to read the render of the hat cards, the troop stats, all the model IDs, and then it's going to start integrating this in no time. While it's going through all this state of implementing the code, the logic, and the behavior, I'm going to pause and then show you, just don't waste so much time of this demo. Okay, we're back. So we got here the Berserker, which was here the input of sending the prompt to the Viking Berserker warrior. After that, the model was inserted. I quickly tested, and then wanted to make sure the Berserker model does load well with the textures and everything. So it remapped perfectly, and now it works super good. So let me just show you. Okay, I'm gonna put here until. Let me just put this way. It's the way I'm used to play on the arena one. So okay, I'm gonna put this closer so we can see this warrior. Okay, I'm gonna start adding here components. Okay, and here we have our Berserker. Here we go, fully tanked, full warrior. Here he goes in just 2 prompts, and you got 3D model, logic, behavior, textures, and soon we will have this fully animated and rigged. So this is a proper 3D engine. Thank you for watching. This has been crazily complicated, especially the atoms, architecture, structure to manage everything based into atoms, based into units. It's been a pleasure to build this. Gemini 3 Pro is extremely powerful for creating some complex game behavior like this. Peace and good luck to all participants. See you!